Oh, this Gratis Museum, this kind of caught my eye as we pulled in here. Looks like it could use a little scrubbing out and cleaning. So we're gonna go check on Chester.
Oh yeah.
Chester!
You kitty.
What you doing, buddy?
Well, you got a cat house, you lay down.
Hey guy, what's up? Ew. I think Chester's having a rough day or something. This one cool truck. Nice little park. There's an education building. Go get yourself an education. Employee of the month, Chester the Cat, site manager.
Well, we found this before.
Yeah, we were here. We just
We put it on YouTube.
no. Yeah. Hi. What's with the cannon?
A Civil War replica.
Yeah.
Yep.
You gonna be a permanent piece or?
Yeah, we just brought it out this week. We normally store it in the barn in the winter.
Oh.
And then we pull it out in the summertime.
It kind of caught my eye as we rolled in here.
Oh, good. That's what we want.
You don't mind me filming, do you?
No. Please, we're out here we're just trying to get some flowers, and now that the weather is finally working with us.
Yeah. Yeah, it's finally warming up.
Yeah. No, we're glad that you're here. Have you ever been here before?
A couple times.
Okay.
Kind of walked around.
Yeah.
Got Chester's permission to look around.
Yes, employee of the month. Well, we got a lot of projects going on, so don't mind us if we're working on stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty neat old log cabin.
You guys want to see inside?
I'd love to.
Yeah, let me go grab the keys real quick.
I ain't gonna pass up a chance to look inside the cabin. Huh? Wow. $18.13. Oh, cool. I always wanted to come in here and look around.
There you go. So this house was built in 1813 by Henry Horn, who was the founder of Lewisburg. So this was his house. So it actually moved here in 1975. So they took it apart log by log. The house actually looked like this. So this is the...
Oh, wow.
So are you familiar with Lewisburg?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the fire station. So there's a little square parking lot in Lewisburg that's right next to the fire station. That's where this used to sit. Yeah.
Wow.
So they they were starting to take down the siding, and they realized there was a log house inside. So they called us to see if we would like it. So we bought it for $1.
$1.
So yeah, the upstairs is right here. If you want to check out the upstairs, you're welcome to do that.
Hey, look how they mark the logs.
That's kind of cool. That's how they put it back together. Yeah, what's that thing like Grandpa's got?
Just a really big room. Oh yeah. Wow. Look how close the window is to the...
Oh, that is kind of cool.
Is the window open?
No, he's just looking at how the one window's real close. Yeah, every log has got a number on it.
That's kind of cool. Piece of back together like a record set.
See, now you get to be inside it.
Yep, I like to say I've been inside.
Came on a good day.
Perfect timing. Really.
So where are you guys from?
In Clayton.
Okay.
And we're just out. We just came from Houston Woods, had our kayaks out. And we was up there at their Pioneer Village looking around.
Yeah.
And so it's been a good day for that.
Yeah.
Wow. I couldn't imagine taking this all down and putting it all back
I know,
up.
right?
For $1, huh?
Yep.
Ooh.